Live from the world's capital markets, here are the financial headlines, brought to you by Legion Academy.
Hello and welcome to Tuesday's Daily Financial Digest.
MoneyGram will still add stablecoin USDC to its money transfer services, despite the Terra collapse. We're trying to be a bridge from the crypto world to the fiat world, CEO Alex Holmes said. Oil prices climbed above $120 a barrel, hitting their highest in more than 2 months, as traders priced in expectations that the European Union will eventually reach an agreement to ban Russian oil imports. World share markets rose and the dollar was anchored at 5-week lows on bets of a possible slowdown in US monetary tightening, and after an easing of COVID restrictions in China, the oil-dollar pair exploded 1.2% in the last session. The ultimate oscillator is giving a positive signal. The pound-dollar pair made a minor upwards correction in the last session, gaining 0.2%. The ultimate oscillator is giving a positive signal. The Bitcoin-dollar pair exploded 4.2% in the last session. According to the CCI, we are in an overbought market. The gold-dollar pair made a minor upwards correction in the last session, gaining 0.2%. The RSI is giving a positive signal. The Eurozone's HICP will be released at 0900 hours GMT. Germany's unemployment rate at 7:55 GMT. The US Chicago Purchasing Managers Index at 13:45 GMT. The US S&P Case-Shiller Home Price Indices will be released at 1300 hours GMT. Australia's current account balance at 0130 GMT. Japan's annualized housing starts at 0500 hours GMT.
We hope that you've enjoyed Tuesday's financial report. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day. Be sure to join us tomorrow morning for the latest news and events from the financial markets.